Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm answering those guys who don't know the value of women in their lives. You see a guy asking, why should I have a woman? Why should I marry? Look, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe as we get into this video. Listen, women bring fortune. Yes, it was God's original intention that a woman have a partner who is a man, that a man have a partner who is a woman, and that two shall leave their parents' house and come together and become one. Listen, he who finds a wife finds a good thing, and behind every successful man there is a woman. And do you know why? Where there is peace and stability, this brain will work well, and it works effectively. A woman who gives you peace has already paved way for your brain to be effective in thinking about big ideas that will create streams of income and sustain them. A woman who supports your dreams will also contribute in initiating projects and ideas. Look, with that, a project which would take a long time, like maybe 5, 10, 15 years, takes a much shorter time. A woman in your life is one person who will love you unconditionally, who will support you unconditionally, who will do everything and stop at nothing but to see you successful. Because your success is her success. Your success is her children's success. And you know what? Everyone needs someone like that in their corner. Someone who will always be there for them when they are going on the road to success. Remember, even when you succeed, you still need someone to help you manage the world, to help you manage your success. Because trust me, you can't do it alone. Success is very heavy for one person to carry. So, take it or leave it. A woman in your life has a very big role to grow in your growth and success. Choose wisely. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Thank you. I love you. Hope you've learned. See you in the next video. Bye.